Good morning, my dear students. So, I hope everyone is good and safe at home. So, attending online classes and enjoying, right? So, with the same belief, with the same hope, with the same spirit, with the same smile. So, today we are going to study about the one more beautiful lesson for your syllabus. Okay. So, before that, just I would like to repeat the things what all we have finished. So we have finished the first lesson, that is playing the game. Okay, and second one is the greatest prize, and the third is the horn bell called herald. Okay, so for you there are 10 lessons. Okay, and in that again we will be having one one project and two projects. Okay, and some kind of English around us and listening text. Okay, so today we are going to study about the lesson. So that is, you are seeing on the screen now, Unforgettable Salim Ali. By as soon as you hear this name, definitely there is a things comes in our mind that what is that? That is birds. Yes. So as soon as you listen this word, heard the word, hear the word that is Salim Ali. Salim Ali in the sense, definitely you may be any corner of the world or any corner of the India, definitely will remember the birds only. Means this the person is name is added always with the bird. If you see any birds around you, if you go to any zoo or if you go to any village, there you will find lot of birds, isn't it? So definitely you will remember, yes, this bird might have seen the Salim Ali. Okay, so about this bird he might have written, about this bird he might have spoken. So like that, there are so many things comes in your mind. So today we are lucky to read again the great lesson for the great person. So that is Unforgettable Salim Ali. So before going to start the lesson, let's do some warm up activity. Okay. Migratory birds move in large numbers from one place to another. Migratory birds from cold place like Siberia come to India in winter. Here are some birds that migrate to India. Here in this picture, there are some birds are there. So these birds, they will migrate, means they will go to one place to another place, depend upon the climate, and they go in a large numbers. They go in a large numbers, means bulk. Okay, so they don't go one and two alone like that. They go in a bulk. So like that. So Siberia, that is cold place. Some birds will come to India in the winter season, and some birds goes to that place in other season. Okay, and here draw lines the match birds with their names. Here some birds are there. So do at home, do homework. Identify these birds and which matching the names. Nice. Okay, so again now little bit discussion about this Salim Ali. Let's see, Salim Moizuddin Abdul Ali was a bird watcher, okay, ornithologist, explorers, environmentalist, teacher, and writer. So that full name is Salim Moinuddin Abdul Ali. He was a bird watcher, okay, environmentalist, explorer, teacher, and more than that one, he was a writer. A Padma Vibhushana awardee, he held 3 honorable doctorate and was nominated to the parliament. So now he is okay, no more, but he awarded, okay, he got award, he was awarded with Padma Vibhushana, and after that he held 3 honorable doctorate means 3 PhDs, and was nominated to the parliament. So okay, he was instrumental in making the Bombay National Historic Society a leading research center. So that is at Bombay Natural History Society, okay, which is the research institute, research center has opened or has started by Salim Ali. And here word hunt is there, and some homework is there for you. Look out for the important dates and events in Salim Ali's life mentioned in the chapter and arrange them to chronological order in your notebook. So that you have to do here is look out the important dates and the events. So you'll come to know after reading this lesson. So the events and dates which has the main important part of Salim Ali life is you have to mention separately. Chronological means order wise you have to mention in your notebook. Yes sir, let's start. A 10-year-old Salim found a strange looking sparrow with a yellow streak below its neck. The secretary at the Bombay Natural History Society identified it as yellow-throated sparrow and showed the boy the society was stuffed bird collection. Okay, awestruck, he remained fascinated with birds for life. Once what happened? So he was 10 years old. Okay, he just saw a strange looking sparrow with a yellow streak below its neck. So below the neck, so he saw a bird with the yellow color before the neck, and the secretary of that Bombay Natural History Society identified that yellow-throated sparrow and showed the boy. After that, the secretary showed him, you are seeing only the one bird here. So if you come to Bombay Natural History Society, you will find a vast stuffed birds identified it yellow collections. So then he remained fascinated with the birds for life. After that, so somewhere in his life, he just added interest, or he just shown interest towards the bird. Salim Ali was an average student in school. Yes, so he was not a masterminded person. He was just an average student in the school. He left college and spent the next 10 years in Burma as a partner in his brother's timbers and wolfram business. Salim Ali was an average student in school. He left college and spent the next 10 years in Burma. After his higher education, he left the college. He didn't finish his college education, and he spent almost his time years with his brother timber business and as a partner in Burma. Most of the time in Burma, he would be observing birds and wildlife. So he was doing work with his brother, even though he was looking and observing, and it means to say that he has started giving focus, giving interest towards the bird. When the business collapsed, Salim Ali came back and got a job as a guide lecturer at Mumbai Prince of Wales Museum in 1927. Okay, so almost his brother business collapsed, means, so maybe the huge losses. So with this he was not able to continue here there. Then Salim Ali came back, and after coming here he got a job as a guide lecturer in Mumbai. That place is Wales Museum. Okay, that is in the year 1927. After 2 years, he decided to study, okay, ornithology at the Berlin University Zoological Museum. So after that, he decided to study about the birds, and he just decided to join that museum, that is Berlin University Zoological Museum. When Salim Ali returned to Mumbai a year later, his guide lectures post had been abolished. See what was happened with him. When Salim Ali returned to Mumbai, so after that study, then when he came to Mumbai after a year, after 1 year, his guide lectures post has been abolished. Means they have removed from that place, from that position. There were no chance of working for government either because he did not have the college degree, and there was no option left for him. So there was no chance to work under government organizations either because he did not have the college degree. So he did not finish his college degree. So due to this reason only, he was not able to continue. He was not able to go for any government jobs. Right? So Salim wife Tahimin's family owned a small cottage in Kihim, the coastal village to the south of Mumbai. The young couple moved there. Okay. Kihim was green and full of birds. This kept Salim Ali occupied with his favorite hobby. Don't take a job, Tahim advised him, if you cannot enjoy it. Is a best advice gave him his wife. So, so it was too small family after marriage. So they went to a village which is situated south of Mumbai. The young couple moved there, so they went to that place.